Hello, my name is Renjitha. By the end of this class, you will have a better understanding how to create leaves and flowers. So here is some of the things that I cover in this painting class. To help you get started, I will share my list of art supplies that you require to create this painting, including brushes, paints, papers, palettes, and much more. Before going directly into the final painting, we will do some basic strokes that are necessary for this painting technique that will help you in completing this final painting of poinsettia and olive leaves, which also expand your confidence in painting and practicing the strokes in general. You will learn and practice how to create petals for painting flowers and leaves, and you will learn useful tips and tricks how to deal with mistakes. And also I will show you how to sketch and arrange the flowers and leaves on a paper. It means the perfect outline for your painting without damaging the paper. Then I take you through the simple technique for painting leaves and flowers so you can be comfortable with painting beautiful leaves and florals. You will see how easily we can create a beautiful poinsettia flowers and holy leaves using this technique. This class is for you if you are passionate about painting flowers. Any previous skill will be useful, but that not required at all. So it doesn't matter if you are a beginner or if you are an experienced artist. Everyone is welcome to my class. If you want to download the outline of the poinsettia, it is in the project resources. I am happy to give you detailed feedback and feel forward to each project you upload. You can follow me on Skillshare to stay up to date about my upcoming classes. You can find the link to my other social media pages here on my profile page if you want to see more of my works. If you are curious to learn this beautiful poinsettia flower, welcome to my second Skillshare class. Let's get started.